Sometimes, no outside noise can convince you to be happy. You feel like losing everything or not knowing what to do. And then life feels unfair. We know the feeling because everyone has to face this phase. What can save you from the noise of confusion? Silence is the answer. Sometimes, doing nothing feels like doing the best thing. When you stop fighting the racing thoughts and uncomfortable emotions, when you allow everything to be as they are, something different happens. You begin to heal your mind and body. And then comes the realization that suffering or happiness are self-made. Where we focus is what we create in our experience. If we have the freedom to choose, then why not choose solution? If there is free will, then why not walk toward the path to love, joy, learning, and growing? You can imagine life to be an empty canvas. It is neither easy nor hard. You have the paintbrush to give the colors you want. Easy or hard is the experience you are adding to the transparent nature of life. Note that people can make you feel good for some time. When they are not there, you have to face your fears. That's when you get the biggest lesson of your life. You are the source of your own happiness or sadness. You are giving life the direction. The steering is in your hands. Your car is going backwards because you think that's the only way to drive. Talking about the past and feeling bad is not the only option you have, my friend. The first step is to apply the brakes. You don't have to do this, that, when you feel confused. Just relax for a minute. Don't fight any thought or emotion. Embrace every part of yourself. Accept who you are. Take a break, and when your mood feels recharged or fresh again, think about the solution to the problem. See, life becomes joyful when you regain your control. And the control is in your awareness. If you can stop complaining and start living, the world of happiness opens in front of your eyes. Because happiness is the way you choose to live life. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this podcast, and I'll be bringing more episodes on this Mind Soother series to give you a relaxation and appreciation toward life. Well, I have created a playlist on SoulMighty audio lectures which work on your self-improvement journey. Link in the iCard. Share this podcast with your friends for a positive learning experience, and subscribe for more self-improvement videos. Let life shine bright. Thank you.